Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you about Hermitian matrix and its properties. Okay, see here. I have told you a square matrix capital is said to be Hermitian if A bar transpose is equal to A and bar means conjugate. Transposed conjugate of the matrix A will be equal to A in case of Hermitian matrix. And see its property. If A is a Hermitian matrix, then Ka is also Hermitian. See here. I am doing the proof. Given A is Hermitian, that means A star is equal to A. And what is A star? A star means transpose conjugate of the matrix A. It is given. And you have to prove Ka is also Hermitian. That means Ka, I have to prove Ka star is equal to Ka. So what is Ka star? Tell me. Ka bar conjugate to the bar transpose. Then already you know Ka whole transpose. If K is a real number, then it will be K into A transpose, because the transpose of a real number is itself. It is not a matrix, it is a real number. So, and Ka bar will be K into A bar. Clear? So now this can be, and already I have told you A bar transpose is equal to A transpose whole bar. Already I have told you this one, this property. So here Ka transpose I can write whole bar. So it is equal to this one K into A transpose, this property whole bar. I can write K into A transpose whole bar, because K is a real number. So the conjugate of K will be same thing. So it will be K into A bar transpose, and A bar transpose A star. Clear? K into A star, and A star is equal to A. So it is equal to Ka. So Ka star is equal to Ka. So Ka is Hermitian. See here the second property. If A and B are Hermitian matrices of the same order should be same. Otherwise, addition is not well defined. For addition, the order should be same. And you have to prove the linear combination of these two Hermitian matrices is also Hermitian. The linear combination of the two Hermitian matrices is also Hermitian. Alpha and beta, alpha and lambda are real numbers. So given A is Hermitian, that means A star is equal to A. And B is Hermitian, that means B star is equal to B. Clear? And you have to prove alpha A plus lambda B is also Hermitian. That means alpha A plus lambda B star. That means alpha A plus lambda B whole conjugate. Then you should take the transpose of its one. And Z1 plus Z2 whole conjugate in complex number. We have taken Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. Conjugate of Z1 plus conjugate of Z2. So here alpha is a real number. So alpha A conjugate plus lambda B conjugate to the bar transpose. And already we know A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Again, K into A whole transpose is equal to K into A transpose. Clear? So here alpha is a constant, so alpha into transpose of this one plus lambda into transpose of this one, according to this property. So A bar transpose is A star, alpha into A star plus lambda into B star, and A star is equal to A, alpha A, and B star is equal to B, so lambda B. See here, that means alpha A plus lambda B whole star is equal to alpha A plus lambda B. That means alpha A plus lambda B is a Hermitian matrix. Clear? Now this property is very, very important property. If A is any square matrix, then A into A star and A star into A is Hermitian. Clear? See here. A into A star. I have to prove this one is Hermitian. That means star of this one. See here. A into A star. Star means conjugate of this one. Then take the transpose of this one. Clear? Then A bar into A star bar to the power K, because Z1 into Z2 whole conjugate is equal to Z1 conjugate into Z2 conjugate. So AB whole transpose, Z1 Z2 whole transpose, or whole conjugate, it is conjugate of A into conjugate of A star. Now AB whole transpose is B transpose into A transpose. AB whole transpose is equal to A star bar transpose into A bar transpose. And what is this one? This one is A star. And what is this one? See here, again I am splitting A star. A star is A bar transpose to the power. Conjugate this one, then take the transpose of this one into A star. And transpose and conjugate, they can interchange. So I can write A transpose, its conjugate, then its conjugate, then its transpose. Two transposes are there, two conjugates are there. Clear? Then A star. And now Z1, Z bar, and the bar will be equal to Z. Conjugate of Z bar is conjugate of Z is Z. So this one. Conjugate of A transpose is A transpose. So A transpose into A star. And A transpose is transpose A into A star. See here, A into A star will be equal to A into A star. That means A into A star is Hermitian. Similarly, you can prove A star into A is Hermitian. Clear? See here, this is the fourth property given. A and B are Hermitian. That means A star is equal to A and B star is equal to B. Clear? Now you have to prove AB is Hermitian if and only AB is equal to BA. Clear? So let AB is equal to BA. Now you have to prove AB is Hermitian. So how to prove? That means AB star is equal to AB. I have to prove. And what is the AB star? That means conjugate of AB and its transpose. That means conjugate of AB is conjugate of A into conjugate of B and take its transpose. And apply the reversal law. B transpose, B conjugate transpose into A conjugate transpose. That means this one is B star, this one is A star, and B star is equal to B and A star is equal to A. So it is BA and it is given AB is equal to BA. So I can write AB. So AB star is equal to AB. That means AB is Hermitian. AB is Hermitian. Now, take the converse part. Let AB is Hermitian. And you have to prove AB is equal to BA. And since AB is Hermitian, AB star is equal to AB. Now see here, AB star means take its conjugate and then take its transpose is equal to AB. And it is A bar B bar transpose is equal to AB. Then this one is B bar transpose into A bar transpose is equal to AB. And B bar transpose is B star. This is A star is equal to AB. And B star is B. It is given. And A star is A is equal to AB. So hence AB is equal to BA. We have proved it. Okay. Now let us see the fifth property. Given A is Hermitian, if a matrix A is Hermitian, then you have to prove its conjugate is also Hermitian. See here, given A star is equal to A. Clear? Now you have to prove A bar is Hermitian. That means A bar star must be equal to A bar. A bar star must be equal to A bar. So how to do this one? A bar. What is the name of star? You conjugate this one. Then take its transpose. Then how to prove it? I have already given A bar transpose is equal to A. Clear? So this will become A bar will be equal to A transpose. But simply see here, already it is proved here. Already I have proved this one because A bar is Hermitian means you have to prove A bar is the matrix B. So if A bar is equal to B, see here, If A bar is equal to B, then B is said to be Hermitian. If B star is equal to B, B star is equal to B means B bar transpose is equal to B. And B bar transpose means what is B? In place of B, write A bar. A bar transpose is equal to B. That means is equal to A bar. See here, A bar transpose to the power P and should be equal to A bar. How? Who can tell me? See here, A bar transpose is equal to A. Simply these two, interchange these two. It will be equal to, I have already told you, A bar transpose is equal to A transpose whole bar. That means conjugate and transpose, they are interchangeable. So, A bar transpose, take the conjugate of this one. So, this one equal to A bar transpose is A star here. So, A star bar. And again, these two are, so see here, again now, you have to prove this one. A bar is Hermitian, that means A bar star is equal to A bar, that means A bar whole bar, then transpose of this one is equal to A bar. Your aim is to prove this one. Here, see here, A bar transpose to the bar, and A bar transpose is A star, and A star bar, and A star is equal to A bar. Hence, A bar transpose is equal to A bar, so A bar is Hermitian. Clear? See here, given A and B are Hermitian, that means A star is equal to A, and B star is equal to B, and you want to prove AB plus BA is Hermitian. That means AB plus BA star is equal to AB plus BA. Simply apply the definition. Conjugate this one, then take its transpose. Your Z1 plus Z2 whole conjugate is equal to AB conjugate plus BA conjugate. Then take its transpose. Is equal to A plus B transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. Or again apply the conjugate. A bar into B bar plus B bar into A bar. Then take its transpose. It will become A bar B bar transpose plus B bar A bar transpose. Then apply the reversal property. AB whole transpose. AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. B transpose B bar transpose into A bar transpose. Then plus A bar transpose into B bar transpose. Clear? So this one is B star. This one is A star plus this one is A star into B star. And B star is B. So this is BA plus AB, and matrix addition is commutative. So we can write AB plus BA, which is your requirement. Clear? So AB plus BA is Hermitian. See here the seventh property. If A is a square matrix, then A plus A star is Hermitian. See here, given A is a square matrix. Now you have to prove A plus A star is Hermitian. That means A plus A star will be equal to A plus A star whole bar, then transpose of this one. Clear? Z1 plus Z2 whole bar is Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. Transpose of this one. Then A bar. Let us solve this one. A star bar. A star means A bar transpose to the bar. That means conjugate of this one. And transpose and conjugate, they are interchangeable. A bar whole transpose. A bar is A transpose. So this quantity becomes A transpose. Clear? Then A plus B whole transpose, A transpose plus B transpose. A bar transpose plus A transpose. This one is A star. This one is A. And matrix addition is commutative. So I can get A plus A transpose. Clear? So A plus A transpose is Hermitian. See here. I am going to tell you about skew Hermitian matrix. And I have told you a square matrix capital A is said to be skew Hermitian if A star is equal to minus A. That means transpose conjugate of a matrix A is equal to negative of A. And its property, first property, if A is a skew Hermitian matrix, then K is also skew Hermitian. What is K? K is a real number. Clear? Now given A is Q1 mission. That means A star is equal to A. Here, now Ka whole star. Sorry, this is minus A because it is Q Hermitian. Then Ka whole star is equal to K into A star. Because I am writing K A whole bar transpose. And K is a real number, so K into A bar whole transpose is equal to K into A bar transpose. Here, and A bar transpose is A star, so K into A star. And A star is equal to minus A, so K into minus A, put a bracket here. So it will be minus Ka. Again put a bracket here. So Ka star is equal to minus of Ka. Clear? So Ka is Q1 mission. See, the second property, it is same as that of the second property of Hermitian matrix. If A and B are skew Hermitian, then linear combination of A and B is also skew Hermitian. That means, given A star is equal to minus A and B star is equal to minus B. Clear? And you have to prove lambda alpha A plus lambda B is skew Hermitian. So take its transpose conjugate. It will be alpha A plus lambda B whole bar. Then take the transpose of this one. This is alpha A bar plus lambda into B bar. I am applying the property directly. So take the transpose alpha into A bar transpose plus lambda into B bar transpose. Because the alpha and lambda are real numbers, so their conjugate will be same thing, and the transpose of a constant is itself, no change. So it will be alpha into A star plus lambda into B star, and A star is equal to minus A, so alpha into minus A plus lambda into minus B. So take minus common. This is alpha A plus lambda B. Put a bracket here. So alpha A plus lambda B is equal to minus of this one. So alpha A plus lambda B is skew Hermitian. See here the next property given A and B are skew Hermitian. That means A star is equal to minus A and B star is equal to minus B. And you have to prove AB minus BA is skew Hermitian. Now AB minus BA whole star is equal to AB minus BA. Apply the definition, it will be bar of this one. Then take the transpose. It will be AB bar minus BA bar. Then take its transpose. And AB bar is A bar B bar minus B bar A bar. Then take its transpose. Then apply the property of transpose. It will be A bar B bar transpose minus B bar A bar transpose. Clear? And AB transpose, apply the reversal property. B bar transpose into A bar transpose minus A bar transpose into B bar transpose. Clear? This is B star. This is A star minus A star into B star. And A star, B star is equal to B minus B. And it is minus A. Then minus, it is minus A, it is minus B. So minus 1 is plus, it will be BA minus AB. And take the minus common, it will be AB minus BA. That means here it is AB minus BA. And here it is minus of AB minus BA. That means transpose conjugate of AB minus BA is minus of AB minus BA. That means minus of the given matrix. So AB minus BA is skew Hermitian. Clear? See here, if A is a square matrix, then A minus A star is skew Hermitian. Then now, A minus A star, take the transpose conjugate of this matrix. It is A minus A star whole bar. Again take the transpose of this one. And A bar minus A star bar transpose. Let us solve this one. A star bar. A star means A bar transpose, then take the conjugate of this one. And bar and transpose, they are interchangeable. And A bar is A to the power T. So in case of this one, I can write A to the power T. That means transpose of A. Then take the whole transpose this one. That means A bar transpose minus A transpose of transpose. And A bar transpose A star minus A, and A star is, sorry, take the minus common, it will become A minus A star. Clear? So transpose conjugate of A minus A star is negative of A minus A star. So A minus A star is Q Harbison. Clear? Let us see. This property is very important. Already you have read in class 3. That means in BSc there is a question that every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as the sum of a Harbison and skew Harbison matrix. So let capital A be any square matrix. So I can express capital A as half of A plus A star plus half of A minus A star. I can write like this because this is equal to A, and already I have proved this one is Hermitian, and any constant into a Hermitian matrix is also Hermitian. So this one is Hermitian matrix. Okay. And A minus A star is Q Hermitian. Already I have proved. And any constant into a Hermitian, Q Hermitian matrix is also a Q Hermitian matrix. Hence proved. Clear? See here. If A is a Q Hermitian matrix, then IA, if we multiply I to a Q Hermitian matrix, it will become Hermitian. See here. Given A is Q Hermitian, that means A star is equal to minus A. Now IA whole star is equal to IA bar transpose of this one, and conjugate of this one is minus I into A bar. Clear? So it will become to the bar transpose the minus I, because the minus I is a constant, into A bar transpose, and it is minus I into A bar transpose is A star, and A star is minus A, so minus I into minus A will become plus IA. So IA whole star is equal to IA. That means IA is Hermitian, not skew Hermitian. Clear? See here. This property, this is same as the last property of Hermitian matrix. Given A is Q Hermitian, that means A star is equal to minus A. And you have to prove A bar is Q Hermitian, that means we have to prove A bar star is equal to minus of A bar. That means A bar transpose is equal to minus of A bar. You have to prove this one. Clear? Sorry, A bar to the power T. You have to do this one. That means A bar is Q Hermitian. That means A bar star will be equal to minus A bar. That means what is A bar star? That means A bar transpose, the conjugate, and the transpose of that one is equal to minus of A bar. If we prove this one, then A bar is Q Hermitian. See here. Now, A bar star is equal to how much? A bar, then we will apply the definition of star. This one. Then introduce the two A bar transpose to the power bar. Then A bar transpose is A star. Then A star bar, and A star is minus A. So minus A whole bar, minus of A bar. So A bar conjugate of star is minus of A bar. That means transpose conjugate of A bar is minus of A bar. So minus of, therefore A bar is Q Hermitian. Clear? See here. I have already done the proof of all the properties of Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices. So, but for your entrance examination, you have to remember all the properties. Simply remember the property, so that you can answer all the questions on the basis of properties. You can answer any question from Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices. Clear?